This app will pay you to do nothing. And yes, it's available for both iOS and Android. So basically, it works like this. You just need to install it, you get ready for sleep, or you are at your workplace or even shopping, or whatever you'd like to do. Even you are just laying in your bed. Check your phone from time to time and collect your earnings. Even though this app is excellent, if you stay with me until the end of the video, you will even get to know a bonus app that will pay you to do nothing. So that way you will double your income. Let me know in the comments what you would do while these apps are working for you in the background. Since you don't have to do anything, would you just sleep all day long? Or would you go for a walk more often? Or would you hang out with your friends? Or maybe work on some other bigger goals? Let me know in the comments down below. Remember though, that these apps can only help you earn some extra money and should not be considered a replacement for a full-time gig. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you are notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Alright, so before I show you my favorite app, which will pay you to do absolutely nothing, I want to show you the first app and how it's going to pay you. So when you are using this app, you can get cash via PayPal or bank transfer. So you'll be earning real money, and no points or coins, but real cash, which you can then spend on whatever you prefer. You can either use PayPal or a bank transfer, and I just know that a lot of you guys love PayPal. But if PayPal is not available in your country, or you don't want to use PayPal, don't worry, they do have some different payment options as well. Now, let's get back to the video. Before we go to the website, you first need to set up and have your very own PayPal account. So head on over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account. Just provide the necessary details and log into your very own PayPal account. Don't be concerned if your country's currency isn't listed as one of PayPal's supported currencies. Simply withdraw the foreign currency into your bank account and PayPal will determine the appropriate exchange rate for the day. Simply choose your bank from the list of PayPal banks in your country and enter your bank account number. Just make sure the name on your PayPal account matches the name on your bank account. Otherwise, the withdrawal will be rejected. Subsequently, you will get your money in your country's currency in your bank account. You should stay with me until the end of the video and pay close attention to every second so that you won't get confused. So if you want to set this up correctly, and if you're going to make it work, you must follow and watch every second of this exciting video. Now back to the first app, which I want to share with you. From this app, you won't be making hundreds or thousands of dollars. Unlike the other apps, you will be getting $2 to $5, depending on where you're making money from and what type of rewards you choose. But it's $2 to $5. Once you have that amount in your account, you can immediately cash out and spend it on whatever you want. Of course, you can leave it over there and wait until you have like $50 or $100 or $200 or even $500 and then cash out. Now I will tell you how these apps work. These are free apps and you only need to install them on your phone. And it's going to show you some ads on the screen, which you can just swipe. So all you have to do is swipe on your phone, which is something that you already do every single day. And now you can get paid up to $5 per day just from one single device. If you have multiple devices, you can make a lot more money. But even $150 every single month, basically for doing nothing, is also really great. However, it's not as good as the second app, which I'm about to show you, because for the second app, you don't even need to swipe and you will still get paid. So stay tuned for that now, since you will be paid for just unlocking and swiping your phone. I just want to show you that it is something that you already do every single day. According to research, smartphone users in the United States unlock their devices on average 79 times daily. So that's something that we already do every single day. You open your phone all the time. You check your messages, check your emails, check your notifications, and do it regularly. How you will get paid when you do that. That's why I said you're being paid to do absolutely nothing. This app is available for both Google Play and App Store, so it's available for both Android and iOS, which is good. Now, the actual app name is Moocash. Moocash.com is their official website. But to install the app and start making money, you will need to go over to Google Play Store or the App Store, depending on which device you have. Just search for Moocash, find its logo, install it, sign up for free, and start making up to $5 per day. We like making money, and we know you do as well. Most of you are seeking methods to hack the app to reach your ultimate aim of generating money. So these are the most critical pointers to remember when you begin to hack Moocash. You can share your one-of-a-kind invite code with your friends and family. This works in such a manner that the more individuals that sign up for Moocash using your invite code, the more money you may earn. With each successful referral, you will get a gem as well as a 10% lifetime commission on their redeemed coins. That implies that for every $20 saved by your buddy, you get $2 in passive revenue. The next suggestion is to earn more money by playing games on MooJoy. All you have to do is download the MooJoy app on your phone and utilize the gems to play games and earn cash. This way, you can quickly increase the number of coins in your account and redeem your money. Now here's the second app, which I wanted to share with you, which might be even better to earn using your phone for doing nothing. It's the Cash Magnet. If you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Now, let's get back to the video. You're being paid to do absolutely nothing once you install this app. You are not required to do activities, view advertisements, or play games. Earnings will be generated in an entirely independent and passive manner, and you can do it again and again, and can get regular passive income. Get ready to earn a lot more. After just 2 months of working with Cash Magnet, you'll be able to purchase another phone that will function for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That is how thousands of happy customers do it. And yes, they do have a PayPal as well. So you can collect your earnings through PayPal. It's safe, and they guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. I also did some research on the app, and it's 100% safe, and people using this app are 100% satisfied. You do not need to perform tasks, you do not need to watch ads or play games. Earnings will come in absolutely autonomous and passive mode. Whatever you are doing, you will still get paid. The more devices you have, the more money you will make, because this app will not pay you hundreds or thousands of dollars. It's only going to be a couple of dollars, but it can quickly pile up if you have multiple devices, or if you just stay patient and wait to receive more and more payments. They have the most significant payments because they unite all the best reward programs in one place, so you can collect the most amount of money. This app is free. This is an example of how the app will look once you install it, and it's going to show you how much money you have collected. Whether you will earn money from your Android phone, they pay for every minute of the time when you do nothing. Unfortunately, this app is available only for Android, so it's not for iOS devices. So if you're an iPhone user, unfortunately, you can only use the previous app that we showed you in this video. Just go over to Google Play Store and search for Cash Magnet. This is what the logo will look like once you install it. You sign up for absolutely free either with your Google account or by entering your email address and creating a password. Once you do that, you can set it up to get paid on complete autopilot and collect some free passive income from your smartphone device. I really hope you did get some value out of this video, and I really hope you will get some value out of those tips that will pay you to do absolutely nothing. And that's it. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. We hope to meet you guys again in the following video. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.